Okay, we are back on live again. Okay, sorry guys, I apologize. I had a technical issue. All right, so Solana, I was saying I was a bit surprised because I wanted them to take out this law. It was very important for them to do that. Um, Again, I think you've been here for some time. I've always said I don't like trades or I don't like moves that leaves equal lows or equal highs. And that seems to be the case. They've left equal they did actually go below or they went above the up candle over here, the gap, this gap here. They did close above it, and in my opinion, if they can do that, which I think I spoke about this big down candle, that's the elephant. Okay, the elephant was here, and when the elephant leaves the gap, if we are able to go above it, then this elephant was a buy, right? If they had stayed below that, then it would have been a sell to continue going down. So I think this was a buy. What we are seeing now is just a pullback, and we are likely to go back up. Okay, so based on that principle, we will be looking for higher prices as long as price is above this down candle's high. So this candle's high comes in at 151.04. As long as we're above that, I think price is likely going to go higher. If you look at it from the weekly perspective, you see that we have actually rejected a previous week low. So it's likely going to take out a previous week high. Hence, Monday opening and then dropping, that's normal. They're just forming the low of the week and then we go up again. So expect Solana to continue going up. Like I said, as long as we are above the previous day, the down candle high 151.04, as long as we are above it, expect price to push higher. Okay, so let's see. That will be the same thing for um BTC, right? Yesterday BTC was crazy, crazy, crazy. I was watching it, I was loving it. But BTC, based on how the month closed, I'm not really confident with higher prices going forward. It might come up, but it might struggle to go up. It might probably trade here. Okay. And for price to even get there, they will have to go through this because the elephant was huge on this pair. And you see this 1, 2, 3 huge down candles. They've managed to close through that first one. Now it's left with this. So if they can go above that, then BTC can trade up into 102,766 level. If we can trade above, if we can close above 95,253, then price is likely going to trade to the one or two. Let me find the actual level. Yeah, 102.781, 102,781. If you can trade above 95,243, if you can get a daily close above it, then price will trade to 102,781.65. Okay, so keep an eye on Bitcoin. Yes, we had this big push, but still trading inside a gap. So and then the monthly also closed like this. Not good. Okay, we couldn't reject. The one that was able to do that was Ripple, and Ripple, we'll get to Ripple very soon. You can see how nice the wick rejected, and it rejected at the levels that I gave you, right? That's the 50% of the range. Ethereum is not bad, to be honest. It has rejected the equal lows in here, and I think I gave you this level for a very, 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 very long time. Even though we've not managed to close above this yet, but still keep an eye on Ethereum. We've moved away from the bad price action that we had. Hence, those that wants to buy, you can start looking into Ethereum as well. Okay, if you want to buy Ethereum, you can. When we were here, it was a no, but now that they've moved away from below this wick, you can start considering a buy. As a matter of fact, if he was able to get to this candle's high, that would have been a nice area to consider the buy. This last up candle's high. But anyway, this is going to be your this down candle. Okay, the low of it is going to be where you're going to be wrong. Okay, so if we come below that, then forget upside. As long as you're above it, you're going to be looking for higher prices. Okay, so for now, maybe we can trade today's candles low, 2,640. That can be an upside objective for buys down here. And then if we can break that high, if we can break this high, that's when buying Ethereum for long term will be advisable. If we can break this high, that's when buying Ethereum for long term is advisable. As it stands, just look for buyers to trade to the 2,639 level. Hype. Okay, there you go. Hype is giving a buy, nice buy. We've missed it, but that was a nice pullback. Again, I was back testing stuff on this one. And see, it played out nicely. Selling here, taking your profit down there. And the same thing is inverted over there. So this low to this high, nice equal high over there. So buying here, 70.5 there, stop here, and then aiming for that high. That's what you need to do on hype for now. That's it. Okay, so you're looking for price to go to attack that high. And then let's go to Ripple, the beast. Now, this is the one that I'm so eager to talk about because in my opinion, that's the one that if you like to buy, this is the one. Why? Because on the monthly, it was able to reject the previous month low, which I said if we are going to go higher, that's what price is supposed to do. Because if we cannot reject that previous month low, then buying is going to be a little bit difficult. And as soon as we finished on Wednesday, sorry, Friday, the next day, Saturday, we had that big move. Or Sunday. Yeah, Sunday. And its price was able to go all the way above all these down candles, especially this one, this low to this high. They went through it. That is a very, very good price action that we're seeing. So going forward, I am bullish again on Ripple. We're going back up here. Okay. So again, the week has ended. We ended as a close above previous candles high. Hence this week you're bullish. The week has started and you're going down. You're going to anticipate the low forming and then expanding up. So I think maybe if we can get a green candle, one of my green candles, if you can get that to form in the next 2 hours 10 minutes, you can for now use that as a where you be wrong and then expect price to continue going higher. Okay, it's all clean equal highs over here, so they'll make a run for them, right? So if you can get a close above this candle in the next 2 hours 11 minutes, then you can look for a buy to go up there. Okay, chat, is it tattoo? Yeah, tattoo. Oops, I removed my indicators. Well, there you go. So tattoo, I think I kept saying it's a buy. If you don't buy it, don't sell it, because it's not at an area for you to be selling. And you can see that. Is it likely going to go up? For now, from what I'm seeing, yes, it can, because they've gone through again the elephant in the room last week Monday. They've gone through that. Okay. What I would have preferred is for them not to come all the way back down straight away to this candle's high, because that has not that will not create a fair value gap on this side. Usually you want them to create this gap here and then another gap over there, so you have gap overshadow each other. That will be called a balanced price range. Hence price can go up, because if it comes back down, the gap over here will act as a fair value gap, and then combined with the gap over there, that will be inverted fair value gap, and both of them combined will be a balanced price range. Hence price can come back to it to form a support and then expand up. That's why I would have preferred this candle not come back down and touch this, but it has done. On the lower time frame, it was just a pullback to OTE. So it's similar to hype. It's similar to hype by 70.5 and then expecting it to go up there. So in the next 2 hours, if we open a new candle, you want that candle to also be an up candle heading for 0.00347. Okay, and then last one, touch key. Nothing has really changed on this for me, right? I'm still expecting them to, based on the weekly time frame. Okay, based on the, sorry, what's in the weekly, daily? Yeah, based on the daily time frame, I'm still expecting them to go up here. Even if they come back down, it might take out this long and go up, but I think this is just the beginning of the week manipulation. It's just Monday, so that's manipulation, which is good for higher prices. Okay, when it drops like this, it's not bad, it's good for higher prices. And I think if you've been here for a while, if you're expecting higher prices, we love drops because drops gives us the opportunity to buy at a cheaper price. Okay, so this drop here, it's good for buys. Okay, so I think pretty much that is all that I have for now. Like I said, it's very early in the week and in the month, especially in the month. So cool your tempers, cool your engines. Don't be in a rush to take trades. For those of you that are in the private session, I'll see, because we will be launching or we will be probably moving privately soon. I don't know when, but soon. When we do, then I'll talk about how you can just get in and out easily. Okay, and I can't wait, because that is where I'll be able to talk about stuff. I can't talk a lot here. I have, but not everything. I'll leave the rest. I'll leave some of them for our loyal members. Okay, so enjoy the rest of your day. I will see you all tomorrow, same time, and then we will explore price action, especially gold. We'll be looking at gold, okay, to trade up here. So let's see if gold can trade up there, then we can explore price action. Until then, have a very good afternoon, morning, evening, wherever you are. Take care.